How to mention the title of an article in the text, not in the reference, as per the APA 7th edition. In which of the following sentences is the title of an article written according to the APA style of writing? The first sentence says that Bailey and Moraes's 2022 article, Exploring the Use of Blended Learning in Tourism Education, is a clear example of this type of work. Here in this case, the title of the article is written using double quotation marks. In the second sentence, the same title of the article is written in italics font. In the third sentence, the same title of the article is written in bold font. And in the fourth sentence, the same title of the article is written using single quotation marks. Now, just pause and think as to which is the correct format of writing the title of an article in the text. So the correct answer is the title of the article written in the first sentence, that is, Exploring the Use of Blended Learning in Tourism Education, which is written in double quotation marks. In the APA style of writing, when the title or name of the article is written in the text or in the copyright attribution, it is written using double quotation marks and in the title case. However, the same title of the article, when written in the reference list entry, is not written in double quotation marks and is written in sentence case. Okay? Understood? Thanks for watching, and kindly like if you have learned something new. Share with your similar friends. Subscribe to learn a new nuance every Sunday. Test your learning through an MCQ every Wednesday. And comment about the video and what more you want to learn. If you want to learn more about the nuances of APA 7th edition, then visit scholars-help.com. The link is given in the description box. Thanks for watching and happy learning.